Hey, Deb and Joel here from Chasing RV Sunshine. On today's adventure, we are taking our inflatable two-person kayak out on the water for the first time. And in a bonus, we have some good friends that are with us. Can't wait to show you who.
Stick around.
Hello and welcome to Chasing RV Sunshine. Deb, Joel, and Maya here. We are new to RVing and happy to take you along for the ride with us as we are feeling like we're living the book, RVing for Dummies sometimes. There's nothing better than feeling the freedom that RVing is bringing us. We are an RV couple with a spoiled dog that loves RV travel and feels RV love every time we head to a new location to show you how we travel in our RV. Hello and welcome to Chasing RV Sunshine. Deb here. This is our unboxing of the Intex Excursion Pro K2 inflatable kayak and review. It is the best affordable two-person kayak in our opinion. What's in the box? The Intex Professional Series Excursion Pro kayak, 2 oars, a repair kit, carrying bag, adjustable mounting brackets, pump, and owner's manual.
And remember, when buying a new product and setting it up, always read the instructions.
Just like most inflatable kayaks, setting up the Excursion Pro is a breeze. You actually don't require any skills to get this vessel working. Besides, it comes with everything required to complete the setup. Each section of the kayak has spring-loaded high-pressure valves that allow for quick and easy inflation and deflation.
The inflatable kayak comes with a pressure gauge inserted and it needs to be in the green area for it to be properly installed. They absolutely recommend not over-inflating so we don't cause damage.
In the green.
We're in the green. With the valve, or with the pressure gauge, there is a valve if you're overinflated that you can just push this and release a little bit of air to make sure you're with it, to make sure you're within the green.
We're so excited that Living the Silver Life was able to come and paddle Eau Claire Lake with us.
Where are we? Yeah, where are we?
We're at Eau Claire Lake.
County Lake, right? Eau Claire Lake. Not Eau Claire. I wanted to call it. That's a donut.
Eau Claire Lake. I'll leave a link up above and down below to get to Living the Silver Life's video on kayaking Eau Claire Lake with us. Check them out. Once you've inflated all the sections, setting up the adjustable seat footrest and the mounting rods, we're a walk in the park. Even us first-timers, we're in a good position setting up the kayak without making any errors. The entire setup process took us less than 10 minutes. Alright, wish me luck. I'm going to be attempting to get in this.
Well, I think I'll get in first.
Oh, you're going to get in first?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because then I'll be able to stabilize it. Theoretically, anyway.
You're doing a dock. Yeah, that was too easy.
Can't fall on the first try.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good.
Woohoo!
We did it!
I look like professionals. Look at y'all.
And we're off.
Like a herd of turtles.
Yeah.
And I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two. Me and you. more than friends. Yeah.
The Intex Excursion Pro K2 kayak provides a generous amount of storage space and is very roomy and comfortable, was what we found. The kayak also comes with 2 integrated fishing rod holders and a cell phone holder as well. Its overall length is 12 feet 7 inches, width is 3 feet 1 inch, and overall height is 18 inches. The kayak itself weighs 39 pounds and has a max weight of 400 pounds for 1 or 2 passengers.
Near the surface.
No, I think it's just the bubbles coming up from.
Have you gotten to go through the center yet?
No.
Move?
Oh, I tried not to.
Oh.
So we're definitely going to have to get on the Google and figure this out.
Yep.
How you doing back there?
Doing well. How about you?
Good.
Good.
What do you think of the new kayak?
I think it was an excellent first trip. Worked out well, as best as we hoped it could.
Yeah, I think it's gonna come in very handy on future adventures as well.
Absolutely.
Even though we don't know whatever that thing is that's in the water here.
Well, we'll figure that out.
What do you think it is? Leave us in the comments below of what you think that was. It's very weird. We're not sure. But like I said, we're gonna end up having to Google it or ask a local.
We survived it.
Was it Loch Ness?
Probably not.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day.
Done.
There's the kayak.
And they're still trying to put theirs away too.
Overall, the Intex Excursion Pro 2 inflatable kayak will give you value for your money. The performance the Excursion provides, that we can confidently say this kayak is a steal. We had gotten it for $300 on Amazon and purchased it ourselves. We are not sponsored or featured by Intex. The only con we found was that the kayak's paddles aren't the most solid, but they do work. The material itself seemed very solid and thick, and this material doesn't get affected by saltwater, oil, sunlight, impact, gasoline, or abrasions. We found the performance of the Intex Excursion Pro K2 inflatable kayak to be top-notch. It is evident that this kayak has been built to provide high levels of stability. Incredibly happy with our purchase and do recommend it if you are looking at an inflatable kayak. Now stick around as always for the bloopers.
So hold me tight.
Whoa!
Bracing?
I do. Is your feet?
That's fine.
That feel good?
Yeah.
Looks good. It looks real good.
Establishment to ask the locals what those bubbles in the water are. You can still see them out there. Right at the corner at that point, over by the boat over there. It is very unusual. We're not sure what they are.
For beaches and boating, but Lake Eau Claire still has some spring cleaning to do. Caitlin Riley spent the day with scientists working on the lake. Their solution to an algae problem is a breath of fresh air.
That is so fantastic.
Gurgling in Lake Eau Claire never sounded so good.
So we have been developing both water and wastewater systems the natural way to purify the bottom dead water.
Air Diffusion Systems, an Illinois company, is giving Lake Eau Claire a chance to air out its phosphorus problem.
Mother Nature probably did take care of it at one point with its foot itself, but then a man came along and we put a lot of phosphorus nutrients and other nutrients into the water.
Nutrients that can cause large amounts of blue-green algae, sediment buildup, and odor.
They're not good for humans, they're not good for other animals, and they're not good for the fisheries and the habitat of the lake.
The fish and other aquatic species that need to breathe can no longer live there.
Their solution? One air compressor, 15 diffuser discs, 25,000 feet of self-sinking hose, and billions of bubbles, all of which can run for just $48 a day.
All the bubbles you saw out there are really lifting that bottom water to the top. Oxygen goes into it, and it just keeps this whole end of the lake mixed.
Funding from Eau Claire County, the Lake Association, Lake Management, and a state grant helps cover the initial $150,000 project cost.
Each one of the diffusers with 1 billion bubbles per day circulates over 25 million gallons using just 2 horsepower, which is a phenomenal amount of work done for a small amount of energy.
Bringing what was once a dead zone back to life.
And we're pretty comfortable that we do have the science right. So we're hoping that things go as planned, that we got better water quality in Lake Eau Claire come the end of the summer every year.
A solution that could wash away the water's problems and give lake lovers a breath of fresh air. For Claire's Own News 18, I'm Caitlin Riley.
And Air Diffusion Systems says they've already installed similar successful projects in Illinois and are also expanding their efforts into India and California.
Thanks to all of you that have been coming along on our journey to be chasing RV sunshine. Remember, life is about moments and not things, and you can always create your own sunshine. If you haven't joined the Chasing RV Sunshine community yet, please make sure that you subscribe on YouTube, like this video, leave us a comment, and you can also find us on Facebook and Instagram. We also have a website, chasingrvsunshine.com. We'd appreciate the love, and thanks for watching.